Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss a lesson. 8th class English lesson. The name of the lesson is The Lost Camel. Lost means ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ହଜିଯାଇଥିବା ନିଖୋଜ camel. Otto. Okay. Could understand? Shall we move to the next page? Yes, The Lost Camel. The Lost Camel. Lesson 5. See the picture. Here is the picture. Look at the picture. Could understand? Here is a camel. Here is a old man. Here is an old man with his stick, and there are two other persons. We don't know who they are. So now again, yes. How many persons are there in the picture? How many persons? Two. Three persons are there in the picture. Can you guess what they are talking about? They are talking, but we don't know what they are talking about.
No.
We don't know. What are these two persons asking to the other person? Could understand? Think. Who can find? विचार करो. Who can find the lost camel? हजी जाइतवा ऑटो को की खोजी पारियो. One who is intelligent, जने जे चालाक, और one who has good eyesight, जार की मन भलो दृष्टि शक्ति अच्छी. Let us read the lesson and find it out. चलो पढ़िबा एवं उत्तर खोजी बाहर करबा. Okay, while reading, here is the text. SGP1. Two merchants. What did I say? Two merchants. Merchants means व्यवसायी. Two merchants means दुई जन व्यवसायी. Two merchants were looking for their lost camel. दुईटी व्यवसायी सेमानकर हजी जाइतिया घोड़ा को खोजुचंती. Who are what were they doing? What?
Otto.
Oh, Otto, yes, you are right. Thank you. That's like a good boy. So, who were looking for their lost camel? Who were? Two merchants. Who were? Two merchant means what? व्यवसायी. Two merchants were looking for their lost camel. हजी जाइतिया ऑटो खोजुचंती. Who are looking for their lost camel? Two merchants. Looking for what? Looking for their lost camel. They met an old lost camel in a desert. Desert means what? मरुभूमि. मरुभूमि रे ऑटो हजी जाइतिबा ऑटो को खोजुचंती. Who? The two merchants. They met, सेमाने साक्षात देखा कले एन ओल्ड मैन, गोटे लोक बुढ़ा लोक को भेटिले. They met, who met? The two merchants met with whom? An old man. Could understand? So these are two merchants. Could understand? They have lost their camel. Yeah. They met an old man on the way. On the way means रास्ता रे. They asked him, पचारिले तांकु, whether he had seen a camel. तां पचारले, old man, have you seen our camel? तमे देखिचो कि आमो camel को ओटू को देखिचो कि? Who asked whom? The two merchants asked the old man about what? About their lost camel. They asked, have you seen our camel? Have you seen a camel? Just they asked like this. The old man's answers, बुद्ध लोकंकर उत्तर गुड़िक were in the form of a questions. Were in the form of a questions. प्रश्न रूपर उत्तर जाग थिला. Is it an old animal? पचारला. Is it an old animal? सेटा गोटे बुढ़ा पशुटा ना. He asked. Who asked? The old man asked the two merchants. The owners said it was. They said yes, it was. Is it lame in one leg? छोटा की तार गोटे गोड़ छोटा कि लेम मीन्स छोटा हु आस्क्ड द ओल्ड मैन आस्क्ड द ओल्ड मैन द मैन सेड इट वाज इज इट ब्लाइंड इन द लेफ्ट आई सी अंधुटा कि ताने तार बाम आखि की देखा जाऊनी कि अंध कि दी ओल्ड मैन आस्क्ड अगेन पुणी पचारे अगेन मीन्स पुणी हु आस्क्ड द ओल्ड मैन दी ओनर्स वेर ए लिटिल सरप्राइज्ड टिके सरप्राइज्ड में आश्चर्य गले हु वेर ए लिटिल सरप्राइज्ड दी टू मर्चेंट्स दे वर द ओनर्स एंड दे वर ए लिटिल सरप्राइज्ड दे सेड द एनिमल वाज इंडीड ब्लाइंड से माने कहले इंडीड वास्तव रे ब्लाइंड अंध इन दी लेफ्ट आई हैव यू सीन द एनिमल तमे से पशु को देखिछ कि दे आस्क्ड द ओल्ड मैन द टू मर्चेंट्स आस्क्ड द ओल्ड मैन कुड अंडरस्टैंड नाउ दिस इज व्हाट कॉम्प्रिहेंशन क्वेश्चंस बोधगम्य प्रश्न लेट्स सी how many persons were there tell me how many persons were there
There are 3 persons.
yes there were 3 persons 3 persons
There
3 persons okay next one is what were they talking about they were talking about a camel about
A camel.
a camel okay who lost the camel two merchants two merchants the two merchants the
2 merchants.
two merchants lost the camel what did they ask the old man they asked the old man if he had seen a camel if he had seen a camel they asked the old man if he had seen a camel did the old man answer their question did the old man answer their question no the old man didn't answer their question could understand question number 6 he did not answer the question instead badalare he asked a question what was it so he asked them if it was an old animal if it was an old animal next what was the merchant's answer yes or no the merchant's answer was yes okay could understand
Yes.
let's see what number 8 what was the old man's next question the old man's next question was whether the camel was lame in one leg whether the camel was lame छोटा in one leg कैमेल गोटे गोड़ छोटा कि पचारा नेक्स्ट shall we move yes we shall did the merchants answer it yes the merchants answer it what did the old man ask next the old man asked next if the camel was blind in the left eye
Try.
if the camel was blind अंधा in left eye. Okay. Next one is, why were the merchants surprised? The merchants were surprised because old man was giving an exact description varnana of the camel. Question number, that is 12. Did they answer yes or no? They answered yes. What do you know about the last camel so far? First, it was an old camel. Second, it was a lame in one leg. Third, it was blind in the left eye. 14. What did the merchants ask him next? The merchant asked him next if he had seen the camel. Okay, if she, I said she instead of he. Oh, question number 14. What did the merchants ask him next? The merchant asked him next if he had seen the camel. Seen the camel. Okay. Next one is guess. Guess whether the old man will answer their questions, तार उत्तर दे पारियो कि नहीं, और आस्क देम मोर क्वेश्चंस ना ताको अधिका प्रश्न से अधिका प्रश्न पचारे. रीड द नेक्स्ट पार्ट टू नो. विदाउट आंसरिंग उत्तर न दे द ओल्ड मैन सेड टू देम, से बुद्ध लोक कहले, इज द कैमेल कैरिंग व्हीट. व्हीट मीन्स गम. इज द कैमेल कैरिंग मीन्स बोई नौ कि गम ऑन वन साइड ऑफ इट्स बैक. तार पिठ गोटे पार्श्व गम बोई नौ कि. दि ओनर्स सेड इट वाज यस इट इज. दे वेर श्योर दैट द ओल्ड मैन हैड सीन दि एनिमल्स. से निश्चित हो गले बुढ़ा एनिमल देखी. इज नॉट द कैमेल कैरिंग हनी ऑन द अदर साइड. अन्य पार्श्व पिठ अन्य पार्श्व मऊ बोई नौनी कि. पचारे हु आस्क्ड इट. द ओल्ड मैन आस्क्ड whom? The old man asked the two merchants. Okay. The owners caught hold of the old man. The two merchants or the owners caught hold of, caught धरी पकेले. क्या है caught hold होले ताको भिड़ी धरी पकेले. हु? The two merchants caught hold of the old man. old man जोरे भिड़ी धरी पकेले. The owners caught hold of the old man and asked, पचाले him angrily. रागरे पचाले. Who asked whom? The two merchants asked the old man angrily. Have you stolen the goods? आम जिनस चोरी नहीं जाइछु ना. सब जिनस चोरी नहीं जाइछु ना. And killed the animal. मार देइछु ना. सब जा जिनस चोरी नहीं ताको से पशुटा मार देइछु ना. Who asked whom? The two merchants asked the old man. I haven't seen the animal. Who said it? The old man said, mu dekhini. I haven't seen. Mu dekhini. Said the old man calmly. Niravare कहला. धीरे स्थिर. The merchants asked him. पुणी पचारे. Do you think we are fools? तू भाबुचु. Do you think means तू भाबुचु we are fools. आमे मूर्ख हेले तू भाबुचु ना. आमे बोका हेले तू भाबुचु ना. Who asked? The two merchants asked whom? The old man. So do you think we are fools to believe your story? तो कथा आमे विश्वास करू. मूर्ख जाए we are we fools? Do you think? And they dragged means झोकाड़ी नेले. Dragged him to the court. राज दरबार नहीं दरबार को झोकाड़ी नेले. Okay. Next question is, what was the camel carrying on one side of its back? Tell me. The camel was carrying a wheat. Carrying what? Wheat means gaham. Wheat. The camel was carrying on wheat on one side of its back. What was the camel carrying on the other side of its back? The camel was carrying honey on the other side of its back. Honey. 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 Honey means mahu. Why were the merchants sure that the old man had stolen the camel? The merchants found that the old man was giving correct details, ठीक विवरण दूचंदी about the camel. So they were sure that ସେମାନେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ହୋଇଗଲେ ଯେ that he had seen the animal and stolen them. Why were they angry? Angry means ragi gale. They were angry because they thought that the old man had stolen the goods and killed the animals. Next one is question number 5. What did the old man reply? What did the old man reply when they told him that he had stolen the camel? What did the old man reply when they told him that he had stolen the camel? The old man replied that he had not seen the camel. Could you understand? Yes. Next one is that is 6. 6. Why did the merchants take him to the judge? Judge means Bicharapati Paku Tanku Kainginale. Do you think that the old man had really stolen the camel? Tam bhabucho ki se vastavare choreiche. Read the next part and see. Okay. The merchant took him to the judge so that he would be punished for his guilt. So that he will be tried. Next. 7. Did the old man see the camel? No, the old man did not see the camel. How did he know that the camel was lame in one leg? The old man knew that the camel was lame in one leg because he noticed the footprints of one of the legs of the camel on the sand. बाली ऊपर गोटे गोड़र पाद चिन्ह पड़थिला. Could understand? From it he knew that the camel was lame in one leg. Next. Yes. Will the judge punish means danda deba? Judge means Bicharapati. Will the judge punish the old man? Buddha loko ko punishment dabo ki? Or praise him ta prasunsa karibo. Danda dabo na prasunsa karibo. Read the next paragraph and see. Paravarti anucheda gudika pada evam dekho. What happens? So SGP 3. The judge listened to the merchant's story. Bicharapati. Who listened? The judge. Whose story? The merchant's story. Here is the judge listened. Here. The judge listened to the merchant's story. Tanga katha sunile. Then he turned to the old man. Old man adugu bulile. Muh bulele. And asked him, tangu pacharle. Who asked whom? The judge asked the old man where he had seen the camel. Se pacharle tame camel ko kodi dekhila. The old man said, the camel ko kodi dekhicho. The old man said he had never seen it in his life. Ta jibanare se taku kebe dekhine. Who said it? The old man said it. How do you know the camel is lame in one leg? Jodi dekhino, if you have not seen it, how can you know? Tommy kemidi janila se gote chota aligri. Who asked it? The judge asked the old man. The judge asked the old man. Okay. I looked at the footprint on the sand. Mo balire tara padachino dekhili, said the old man. And one of them could hardly be seen. How go to padachino dekha jauni. So ଦି ଜର୍ଜ ସ୍ମାଇଲ୍ଡ ହୁ ସ୍ମାଇଲ୍ଡ ଦି ଜର୍ଜ ସ୍ମାଇଲ୍ଡ ସ୍ମାଇଲ୍ ମିନ୍ସ କ'ଣ ମୁରିକି ହସା ଦେଲେ ଟିକେ ମୁରିକି ହସି ଦେଲେ एंड आस्क्ड पचारे व्हाई द ओल्ड मैन थॉट कहीं भाविले द कैमेल वाज ब्लाइंड इन वन लेग वन आई तमें चिन्ना बाली रे गोटे पाद देखी कहीदे दि कही पार दि कैमेल वाज लेम इन वन लेग आउ से गोटे आखिर अंध बोली हाउ कुड यू नो केमिति जानिल हु आस्क्ड हुम The judge asked the old man, the judge smiled and asked why the old man thought कहीं से भाविला जे सीए गोटे आखिरे अंध the animal had eaten could understand the animal had eaten the leaves of the bushes means बुद्धा बुद्धार पत्र से खाई हु The camel, the animal, the camel had eaten the leaves of bushes. बुद्धार पत्र खाई पत्र समूह on only one side of the road. गोटे साइड रोड आगे से खाई आर पार्श्वर बुद्धार पत्र खाई Could understand? Said the old man. Who said? The old man. Why do you think the camel was carrying a wheat? तमें केमिति जानिल केमिति तम भाभी पालो जे से खाली गम आगा बही नउछि एंड हनी महू आ गहम बहुचेली तमें केमिति जानला हाउ कुड यू नो हु आस्क्ड होम टेल मी द जज आस्क्ड द ओल्ड मैन आस्क्ड द जज आई सा आंट्स कैरिंग फॉलन ग्रेन्स आई सा मु देखिली आंट्स पिंपुड़ी कैरिंग बही नौथुवार फॉलन ग्रेन्स पड़ी जाइथिबा दाना आप व्हीट पड़ी जाइथिबा गहम दाना पिंपुड़ी माने बही नौथुवार मु देखिली हु सेड इट द ओल्ड मैन इन रिप्लाई टू जॉर्जेस क्वेश्चन on one side of the road sorry ground on the other side sorry I saw ants carrying fallen grains of wheat on one side of the road said the old man gotte side portiara mu dekhili I and there were bees flying around on the other side gotte parshware pimpudi mane gaham dana bohi noutubar mu dekhili अन्य पार्श्वे माछी माने उड़ी बुलुथुवार मु देखिली आई सपोज मु अनुमान कली सेड दी सॉरी रोड सेड दी ओल्ड मैन एंड देयर वर बीस फ्लाइंग अराउंड ऑन द अदर साइड आई सपोज मु अनुमान कली सेड दी जज यस योर ऑनर मु अनुमान करची माने ता कथाटा को काटिक ये कहीदेले बुढ़ा कहला गोटे पार्श्वे पिंपुड़ी माने गहम दाना संग बही नौथुवार मु देखिली बोलारू विचारपति ताहले अन्य पार्श्वे पक्षी माने उड़ी बुलुथुवार तमें देखी मु भावुछि ता अधा कथा ये कहीदेले सेतल देन द ओल्ड मैन सेड यस यस ऑनर यस योर ऑनर हाँ आज्ञा हाँ मागो सेड द ओल्ड मैन The George then turned to the merchants मान को आड़ू को बुलिले and said कहले this man had made use of his eyes ये जो बुढ़ा लोक तांकर आखिर सदुपयोग करछंती to look at all things सब जिनस देखिबारे सदुपयोग करछंती you have eyes too तमर मध्य आखि अछि यूज देम व्यवहार कर सदुपयोग कर यू विल फाइंड योर एनिमल तमें तमर एनिमल पाइज कैमेल पाइज हैविंग आईस इज नॉट इनफ खाली आखि रहिले यथेष्ट नुह देन व्हाट बी इंटेलिजेंट टू चालाकी हुआ एंड व्हेन यू फाइंड योर कैनिमल कैमेल व्हेन यू फाइंड योर कैमेल जेतल तमें तमर कैमेल पाइब लुक आफ्टर इट वेल ताको भला देखा चाहा कर Who said all these things? The George. To whom? To the two merchants. Don't leave it alone. ताको एका छाड़ीबनी. Do not give him heavy loads to carry. ताको बहुत बोझ बुहाइबनी. Then the George sent them पे ताको पठे दरा. Go away. Your problem is solved. You can go now. Who said it? The George said it. Could understand? Who said it?
That's all.
What was the camel? Sorry. What was the camel carrying on one side of its back? Tell me. The camel was carrying wheat on one side of its back. We have already done it. We have already discussed these questions. Now we shall discuss the rest. These questions. What are they? Yes. Had the old man seen the camel? The old man had never. No, the old man had not seen the camel. Could understand? Number 2. How did he know that it was lame in one leg? The old man knew that the camel was lame in one leg because he had looked at the footprints on the sand and one of the footprints could not be seen. Next, why did the George smile? The George smiled because he was satisfied, santushta hele with the intelligent answer of the old man. Next one is, yes. Number 4. How did the old man know that the camel was blind in one eye? The old man knew that the camel was blind in one eye because it had eaten the leaves of the bushes on only one side of the road. Next one is, how did he know? How did he know that the camel was carrying wheat on one side? He knew that the camel was carrying wheat on one side because he found the ants carrying the fallen grains of wheat on one side of the road. Question number 6. How did he know that the camel was carrying honey on the other side? He knew that the camel was carrying honey on the other side because he found bees flying around on the other side of the road. Question number 7. How could the George guess the answer of the old man? Was he intelligent? Guess means अनुमान करिवा. Intelligent चालाकी चतुर. So the George could guess the answer of the old man because he was sure the old man was an intelligent man. Yes, the old man was an intelligent man. Question number 8. Was the George happy with the old man? Yes, the George was happy with the old man. 9. Was the George angry with the merchants? Yes, the George was angry with the merchants. What did the George advise the merchants to find the camel? The George advised उपदेश देले the merchants व्यवसायी मानकू to use their eyes properly to find the camel. So, is it enough just having eyes? No, it is not enough just having eyes. What else does one need? One needs intelligence too. The George advised the merchants to take care of the camel. What did he ask them to do? He asked them not to leave the animal alone and not to give him heavy loads to carry. 14. Was the George kind? How do you know? Yes, the George was kind because he advised the merchants not to force the camel to carry heavy loads. Next one is 15. Who do you like the most in this story? Why? I like the George the most because he liked the intelligence of the old man and never found him guilty. He did not punish him. He had a kind and human feeling. He advised the merchants to take care of the camel and not to give it a heavy load to carry when they found it. Next one is who is intelligent? The old man is intelligent. Were the merchants cruel? Why? Think of the condition of the camel, old, blind, lame. Yes, the merchants were cruel, nistura. They were not properly looking after the animals, although it was old, blind, and lame. Could understand? With this, that is the end of today's lesson. Yes, we shall discuss the other parts in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.